We'd love to welcome everyone to the 2025 summer edition of Juniper Level and Plant Delights Open Nursery and Garden coming up July the 11th through the 13th and the 18th through the 20th. We will be open from 9 to 5 both days. We'll hope you'll come out and walk the gardens. This is an incredible time. Sadly, people don't get out as much in the garden in the summertime. But there's so much going on. All the amazing native hibiscus are in full bloom. You'll be just fascinated at the colors and shapes of those. The ginger lilies up. All the love lilies are up and looking absolutely fabulous through the garden. If you're into woodland gardens, which a lot of people love in the summertime, the ferns look incredible. Many people don't realize that Juniper Level has the largest fern collection in the entire world. You will see things you will not see anywhere else. And the beauty of these is the deer don't generally like them. So that's great. The palms are looking good. You can create a tropical feel. So pretend like you're in Florida in the garden. There's just so much amazing things. There's so many great plants from all over the world. There's incredible natives that bloom in summer. There's just a lot to see. Come on out. Spend the day with us. We've got food trucks. We've got all our gardening experts here to answer your questions. And best of all, if you see something like, we can send you into the nursery and you can find plants to take home for your own garden. So we hope you'll come and join us for the 2025 Summer Open House. Thank you.